Hello there, my name is Tameron here at Tameron Hyundai, Hoover, Alabama. Thank you so much for showing your interest in the Hyundai Veloster. We have plenty of different color and trim options to choose from. I got one pulled up right behind me that I'm excited to show you, so let's dive in. Here in the front, we got Hyundai's beautiful cascading grille. We got the LED wraparound daytime running lights right this way. We got the premium alloy wheels, nitrogen-filled tires, beautiful exterior color. Let's take a look on the inside. On the inside, this one has the two-tone premium cloth interior, very sporty with the blue trim and stitching all the way around. 7-inch touchscreen display that comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. A ton of safety features like lane keep assist, lane departure warning, backup camera, cruise control, and our drive mode select. But the best part about our warranties are going to be the vehicles are the warranties. We have a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty and a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which we double here at Tameron Hyundai to 20 years, 200,000 miles. That is a Tameron Hyundai exclusive. 20 years, 200,000 miles on the powertrain warranty. You heard it here. My name is Tameron. My personal cell phone is area code 703-505-1598. Give me a call as soon as you get this video so we can further discuss some exciting details here at Tameron Hyundai, where you're going to love the way you're treated.